In the furniture capital of the world, there is a secret haven, a park like no other.
My name is Benjamin Briggs, and I'm here today to share with you some of the fascinating history of the Oakwood Cemetery in High Point, North Carolina. Oakwood is a special place for so many reasons. Not only is it home to more than 5,000 interments, but it is a site rich in the arts, architecture, symbolism, and genealogy of the past 150 years. It is a touchstone for us all. Oakwood features architectural components that highlight major themes in classical design. Obelisks represent early Egyptian motifs, and colonnades represent Greek themes, as well as Tuscan Roman features. Gothic architecture represents medieval themes with pointed arches and buttresses. Most recently, Art Deco designs depicted stylized themes of both ferns and flowers. Art is abundant in the cemetery, richly depicted in sculpted angels and maidens. Angels represented the connection between heaven and earth, as they might provide the recently deceased a guide to the hereafter. Artistic expressions in Oakwood are richly detailed in a variety of materials, including gray granite from Mount Airy, pink granite from Salisbury, and sometimes Georgia marble. These hard rocks allowed a full expression of creativity by stonemasons. Early grave markers in Oakwood illustrate a rich history of symbolism, including birds in flight, a book representing the Bible, Grecian urns and sarcophagi. Hands in prayer depict the deceased as a pious person in life. Hands reaching upwards symbolize welcome into heaven or eternal love. Compass and square details illustrated membership to Masonic lodges and brotherhood with other members. While the lamb symbolizes innocence and is used on children's tombstones, and tree stones resembling stumps or logs are usually associated with social memberships with the woodmen of the world. The landscape of Oakwood Cemetery also tells a story. Early portions of the cemetery were laid in a grid form, with stones pragmatically facing major roads in an orderly fashion. Later influences during the Victorian period took advantage of the rolling topography of the land and set graves among trees and on hillsides. the natural setting was seen as an asset and maybe a little piece of heaven on earth. Oakwood is recognized as a resource for history. Examples include Reverend Daniel Brooks, a popular Methodist minister remembered for negotiating the sale of land that later became the city's high school for young African Americans. Annie Pitts, born under slavery in High Point, was remembered as a loyal friend devoted to her word and to God by her friend Clara Cox. And Clara Cox, a Quaker pastor and community activist in High Point who sought to combat racism. And finally, Capus Wainick, newspaper publisher and politician who served our country as ambassador to both Nicaragua and Colombia in the 1950s.
He heard humanity's dear call and knew the voice divine. He gave his life, he gave his all in deadly battle line. The silent stars in love look down where lies this loyal sun. In frost and dew, they weave a crown of honor he has won. The family of Sergeant Willie Underwood, November 10th, 1918. Again we hope to meet thee when the day of life is fled, and in heaven to greet thee, where no farewell tears are shed. The family of Paul Jones, January 17th, 1927. Welcome to the Hayworth Reception Room at the Gatekeepers Cottage in Oakwood Memorial Park Cemetery. This space serves as a resource center for visitors and genealogists, offering tools to help you delve into the rich history and artistry of this historic treasure. As you explore the features here and discover Oakwood for yourself, we hope you will enjoy your visit and share your experiences with others. Thank you for being a part of preserving and celebrating Oakwood's legacy.